Welcome. My name is Chuck Williams. I am the affiliate manager with Tapestri, and today we're honored and privileged to have our CEO and founder, Walter Harrison, on with us, where this product and opportunity as an affiliate continues to get better and better every day of the year. So, Walter, excited about some things we're going to announce later on after this presentation. But for those of you watching this presentation, this is a great opportunity for you to make money on the internet using mobile devices. So, Walter, over to you, sir.
Thanks, Chuck. I appreciate that. Happy Friday, everybody. My name is Walter Harrison, founder and CEO of Tapestri. And just about every Friday, we kind of get online and talk about mobility data and phones and really the future of what we consider data in general. So this Friday is no different. We're going to talk about Tapestri. Before we do, we kind of start with a bit of the backstory of who we are and kind of where we come from. We work in mobility. We have for almost close to a decade now, primarily getting data from other apps. And so what does that mean if you're kind of new? It means that we would go to app owners all across the globe, whether it be a travel app, a weather app, a calculator app, you name it. We want to understand who's using that product from like a marketing perspective. Who is your customer? Who is your audience? We'd like to buy this data from you. We work on a revenue share. So you give us the data and we give you a percentage of the revenue. And from the consumer's perspective, they really wouldn't benefit at all. The app would earn, and then ultimately we would earn and we would share in those earnings. So if we're doing this for years, we thought the method worked, but we thought there was a new way to do it, a way where the consumer who's actually creating the value at the end of the day could actually create revenue as well and actually earn revenue. So that's a bit about us, a backstory. But let's actually dive into our presentation. What you see before you right now is really like 100 billion, maybe a $200 billion war. And that is between green bubbles and blue bubbles. We've talked about this in the past. And what that means is if you're on an Android phone and you're communicating with your friends and family, you're primarily seeing green bubbles or bubbles that you're used to. But if you're on an iPhone and you're communicating with an Android phone, you're seeing green bubbles. iPhone to iPhone, you're seeing blue bubbles only. And you have the reactions, you have the comments, the replies, a very interactive part of messaging called MMS, multimedia messaging. So what Android and iOS both know is that they both are fighting for you. They're fighting for me. Are you going to buy the latest iPhone 15? Or are you going to buy the Google Pixel phone that was just released and announced, or the new Samsung phone that you just saw a commercial for last night? What phone are you going to get? And the phone you get determines the bubbles that you see in messaging, how a lot of people spend their time text messaging. And us as Tapestri, we believe it's not about bubbles, although it is an inconvenience or convenience, depending on what side of the aisle you're on. It's really about usage. A stat that we say over and over and over again is a third of your waking time alive today will be used on a mobile phone. That is just the new normal. And as a raise of hands, I'd love to get your opinion if you think that's going to increase or decrease over the next 5 to 10 to 20 years. With artificial intelligence clearly already making its way into our lives, technology companies like Apple and Google or Meta or TikTok or X are all going to make sure that you and I spend more time on their platforms, see more ads, buy more products, get more 1 day, 2 day, 1 hour shipping directly to our house. And as a consumer, I think that's extremely beneficial and we're used to it. But at the same time, you and I were creating this data exhaust that flows into the ecosystem that enables these companies to know so much more about us to optimize our holiday purchases this holiday season, or what I should buy for friends and family, or where I should travel, or what I should read. And at the end of the day, you and I are not getting compensated at all. So although it seems like a conversation about green and blue bubbles, we believe it's so much more. And as you and I who have nieces and nephews and kids in general, I think a stat that's really important, specifically for iOS, is that they typically skew younger. So Apple has already found out that, oh, yes, we care about the middle-aged folks. We care about people in their 30s and 40s and our seniors. But if you can get an iPhone user at that peak age, roughly 17 to 18, you almost have them for life. Imagine having a 22-year-old who had an iPhone since they were 17 and transitioning to Android. That's a very hard transition. They're used to blue bubbles. They're used to communicating with their friends constantly every day, and then they're going to go to green bubbles or go to what we would argue maybe less options if they're not used to it. That is baked into the data equation. And I think is further, so is the purchases decision of this iPhone user as well. So what I'm getting at here is you and I are kind of getting indoctrinated in how we use our phone every day. And it shifts and it changes. But what we think as Tapestri is we should really shift it towards earning. And we'll talk about that more. The stat we just talked about, a third of our time is being spent just using our phone on apps, travel apps, social apps. Could it be that someone like us, you, could earn from that? So not just being a consumer of these social products, of these shopping apps, that actually earn. And that's the mission we're going to talk about today in greater detail. So let's shift into that. So Tapestri, an app that's been out for about 2 years now, live on the Play and the Apple App Store, live in over 70 countries, a free app that pays consumers for the data they're already giving away. And that's the key thing. So we're not looking to grab anything new or extra. I promise you this data is already out in the ecosystem. What we care about primarily is to understand where the consumer goes. So it's a Friday. Chuck just said it's a beautiful weekend in St. Louis. I'm in Arkansas this weekend for a wedding. It's gorgeous here. Where are you going to go out to eat this weekend? Where are you taking the kids, the grandkids? Where are you grocery shopping? Or maybe you're staying at home and maybe it's the next weekend you're going somewhere. Either way, you and I are making decisions. We're voting with our feet and with our car on where we find the most value. Maybe a Costco, maybe it's a Walmart, maybe it's Sam's, or maybe it's something like a Jewel-Osco, something more local. At the end of the day, that's the choice. And as Tapestri, we find that fascinating. We want to know why you chose to go this place versus the other place, and we pay you for it. Tapestri works by running anonymously in the background, primarily looking at location data to see where the consumer goes. And we show it on a map within the app in the form of avatars. So in the form of avatars, you can see other people around you who are also using Tapestri, who are all at places of interest, or we call points of interest, POIs. That user was there in the last hour or so, and we keep it completely anonymous. So that is the main way consumers earn with Tapestri today, allowing it to run in the background always. You kind of swipe it, allow it to go in the background, and you're just earning. But over time, we have added additional ways to earn. So let's talk about just a few of those. On Android, we have a really popular way to earn, and that is play to earn, playing games. Not all games, but primarily games. Why did we add this? Because data shows us that 70% of every app download today, whether it be in the Play Store or the Apple App Store, is a game. Gaming is huge. We see the Minecraft app that crushes it every single day. We see the Activision acquisition that just recently happened with Microsoft. It's how your sons and daughters, your grandchildren are spending their time, either mobile or on a desktop or on a Nintendo Switch or something like that. But with Tapestri, we've enabled it to work directly through the app, and consumers are able to earn playing games passively, many times per minute. A newer one we added this spring and this summer is Drive to Earn, powered by Allstate here in the US. We enable consumers to just drive and earn. So or maybe you don't know, many of the insurance companies are very interested to understand how you drive. And many offer you a 10% discount on your policy if you were to put this thing in your car. Some consumers say yes, some say no. But we think a driving score should be more important than a credit score. So with this new form of technology called really mobility-based driving, we enable consumers to earn, and you get to understand how you drive. I'm not super proud of my score, but I can tell that it's working. So these are just some of the ways consumers earn within the Tapestri app. So let's talk about how you earn and how much people earn within Tapestri. Here's an example. So we kind of look at this anonymously. So here you see the balance. So roughly an average consumer can make anywhere between 3 to 15 to some at $25 per month earning on Tapestri. A mixture of games, doing surveys, and allowing Tapestri to run in the background, all for free. So this is a free app. No one pays us to download Tapestri. You don't have to do anything but just allow Tapestri to do the heavy lifting for you. You can earn more by doing things like checking in and referring friends. But what we find is the average Tapestry user is making $5 or $6 per month, is allowing Tapestri to do all the heavy lifting. And that we call a win. But if you're listening to this call right now, the call we do on Fridays, you're likely a Tapestri user, or hopefully will soon be, and it's live in over 70 countries, as we mentioned earlier. But maybe you're interested in something bigger, and that's the Tapestri affiliate program. Our affiliate program is how we grow our business. Instead of going to the Play Store, the Apple App Store, or Meta, or TikTok, or X, and advertising to acquire users, we acquire users from other users just like you and me. And to talk more about that, I'll actually turn it to the architect of the Tapestri affiliate program, Chuck Williams. Over to you, Chuck.
Thank you, Walter. I appreciate it. Let me go ahead and share my screen here. There we go. All righty. Walter did a great job explaining the product to you, and these are the ways he mentioned. I want to just focus on really one of these today as a free user. It's that set to earn. It's what we started 2 years ago with. It's what he was talking about. I took a note. It's where you allow to run always in the background. That's it. That's that set to earn. All the other ways you're looking at there have been ways we have added since the initial launch of the app just a little over 2 years ago. With that being said, I'm here to help you understand the difference between being a free user and being an affiliate with Tapestri. When Walter came to me nearly 3 years ago now, almost 3 years ago, he came to me with this idea that he wanted to start this company, and he offered me the opportunity to develop this affiliate program to pay people to distribute this free app. And it sounded too good to be true, but I'm watching it come true today. So a free user on the left-hand side of your screen, they get the app earnings that Walter just went into great detail talking about. There's lots of ways you can earn with our free app. It's free money to a user that sets up their phone and allows permissions. You've got a help center, and you've got a one-tier, one-time refer a friend bonus. So as a free user, when you refer another free user, we're going to pay you a referral bonus if that free user stays active for 1 full month. That, ladies and gentlemen, is phenomenal. It's all free. It's for customers in over 70 countries around the world today, and we'll be expanding to new countries as we go forward into the future. Now, the affiliate program, as Walter said, I was the architect of that. I wrote this affiliate program, and based on the parameters and the funds he gave me to use, I think this is going to be very lucrative for you. And here's how it works. There's a $19.95 annual subscription to be an affiliate. That's the only difference really between being a free user and an affiliate, is your willingness to pay that small annual subscription that allows us to cover just a portion of our administration cost to bring this program to you. With that, you can be a user and get all the benefits of a user. That goes without saying. But you don't have to be a user to be part of the affiliate program. We literally have affiliates in countries where the app is not even live yet, because all the earnings is based on giving away free apps. And so it depends on where the app is located, not where you're located. So as an affiliate, if you're in a country where the app's available, obviously you're going to want to take advantage of all the app earnings. I personally have earned just under $500 in 2 years with the free app only. That doesn't include anything but things I've earned through the free app. That is exciting to me. $500 in 2 years from a free app. You get a virtual back office. This is not something that's available to a free user. It's available to you as an affiliate. Full reporting, it accounts down a penny of what you've earned, and it's very thorough. Marketing, training, promotional materials, all available to you in your back office. I just happened to go back to this week and look at some of the things that our support team and Danny Walker put back there for you. It is amazing, all the marketing and training materials, promotional materials that are available to our affiliates in their back office. They're all there available for you to use. Now, here's where it really gets exciting for me. As an affiliate, we want to reward you. This is really the only reason to become an affiliate, in my opinion. All the reports and all that stuff's nice, but if you don't want to share the app with anybody, do not become an affiliate. Just use it yourself, earn the money, and be happy. Spend it on a Starbucks or whatever you want. But if you want to make some serious money here, I think the affiliate program is going to be for you, because instead of a one-time, one-tier referral bonus, as an affiliate, you get a residual referral bonus. And you also get paid on 2 tiers of referrals, not just one. So think about that for just a minute. Not only are we paying you for your referrals, but we're also paying you for your referrals. So you're getting paid on 2 tiers. You're not getting paid just a one-time bonus, but you're getting paid a bonus every single month that those users stay active. And again, that's both your first and second tier. This next box, in my opinion, is even more important than that one. And that is you also get a referral bonus on the other ways of making money. So when people are playing games, when they're doing drive to earn, when they're doing surveys, and there'll be more ways to earn in the future, when people do those things as free users or affiliates that also have the app, doesn't matter. But if they're on your first and second tier, we're going to pay you a referral bonus on their earnings also. So not only are you getting paid for them having the app activated and ARN, allowing location anonymously, but you also get paid if your user on your first or second tier does a survey, plays a game, or other ways that they can make money, drive to earn, browse to earn. If they're earning money with their app and they're on your first or second tier, you're getting paid a residual bonus on that too. And by residual, I mean if they play games every month, you're getting paid that 15% of what they earn every month. Now that 15% is subject to change. It's based on how the revenue's coming in and things are being done. We are committed to remaining as a profitable company for your future. And so that 15% may go up or down over time, but right now it's 15%. So if you have somebody who plays a game on your first or second tier and say they earn $10 in a month, you just made $1.50 as a result of that user playing a game because you referred them or you referred the person to refer them. Ladies and gentlemen, that is exciting to me. We also have benefits if you decide to help us build our affiliate team. We have a super affiliate bonus where basically it's 50% team builder bonus. So if you decide that you want to help us build our affiliate network, you can do this through free users that upgrade in the app, or as an affiliate in your back office, there's a link you can use specifically to help someone become an affiliate. Either way counts. They're connected to you as long as they use your link and your referral code. You now have that affiliate on your team. If you do that 10 times, you have 10 active affiliates that you brought to Tapestri. We want to reward you in a big, big way. And we do that with that 50% team builder bonus. What that means is all of those affiliates on your first tier, 10 or more, there's no cap on how many you can enroll, but 10 or more that are active. Every month that you have that, you are an active super affiliate. And all the affiliates on your second tier. So let's say one of your affiliates on your first tier brings 10, 20, 30, 40, 100 on your second tier, you get this bonus on them too. So all of the affiliates on your first and second tier, whatever they earn in set to earn, just the one way of making money now, whatever your affiliates on your first and second tier earn in set to earn, that's they install the app, they allow the correct permissions, and they're earning from their anonymous data, they're active. Every month that your affiliates earn on that set to earn, you get a 50% match on what they earn. I want to repeat that for you because it's so powerful. When you understand this, you're going to understand that, yeah, we're adding a lot of ways to make money. There's a lot of cool things that the app does now. But if you really want to get down to basics, it's all about helping people understand the benefits of installing our free app. And then those who see the benefit of becoming an affiliate, which I'm trying to express to you today, and I hope you understand it, when they become an affiliate, when you're a super affiliate, you are getting a 50% match on whatever they earn every single month in their set to earn. That's all the affiliates on your first and second tier. I'm going over that a couple times here because I want it to sink in how powerful that benefit is. That last point there says gifted referrals, and there's an asterisk behind that that's temporarily been put on hold until our database is merged, our app database and our affiliate database. But when that does happen, the company will literally be giving away customers that come to Tapestri directly. That means they go to the App Store or the Play Store. They get the Tapestri app with no referral. So no other customer, no affiliate refer them. They just found the app on their own. We give some of those to our super affiliates as another bonus, and that will kick back in as soon as our databases have been merged, our app and affiliate database. So ladies and gentlemen, that's a quick review of our program. I wanted to encourage you to get back with the person who invited you and let them know your level of interest. Do you just want to start out as a user, which we love our free app users? Let them make sure they show you the different ways you can earn. Or do you want to tap into the bigger picture and become an affiliate? I hope you do. Come join the affiliate team. God bless you. Thank you.